Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out. And on today's episode, we're going to be getting back into the Mustang here. We're going to be putting on the door panels, but before we do that, we're going to take it one step further and do a little customizing on them. So stick around, I'd like to see how we do it. All right guys, so before we put our door panels back in the Mustang right here, I picked up some carbon fiber wrap off of Amazon. I just want to see if maybe I can wrap a little bit of it, like, you know, kind of maybe in this section right here to see how it would look. I think it might look kind of cool. If it doesn't work out, oh well, you know, nothing really lost. Worst case scenario, if it messes this up, I can just go get some new door panels pretty inexpensively here. So yeah, let's see what we can do on it. Alright guys, so far here is one panel. So far I think it's looking alright. It doesn't look too bad on here. I think it looks somewhat decent. So I'm going to try and roll with this and see how I like it. Alright guys, so we got the second one installed. Install went pretty good, I think. Yeah, overall, you know, I'm pretty excited to see how these are going to look in here, and yeah, let's get them in. Alright you guys, so I got this door panel installed, as well as I went ahead and moved over to the driver's side and got that one installed. Alright you guys, so that is all there is to putting a carbon fiber wrap on your door panels and getting everything installed in the Mustang. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think about the carbon fiber wrap. You know, I think it's kind of cool. You know, I don't know if it's going to hold up or not over time, but we'll see. If it does start peeling off, of course, I'll let you guys know about it, but I definitely think it's kind of cool and a little bit different. You know, you don't see that all the time on them, so... hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.